Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp marketing and leave your competition in the dust. This video will show you how to upgrade your Aisensy plan in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, look for the pricing or upgrade button, usually found in the navigation menu on the left side of your screen or at the top right corner. Click on it. This will take you to the Aisensy pricing page. Here, you'll see a breakdown of the different plans available. Take some time to compare the features and usage limits of each plan, paying close attention to the number of contacts, message volume, and advanced features offered. Consider your current needs and future growth. Do you need more contacts, more monthly messages, access to advanced features like dedicated support or advanced analytics? Choosing the right plan will maximize your return on investment. Once you've chosen the plan that best suits your needs, click the Choose Plan or Upgrade button located beneath it. This will usually redirect you to a payment page. On the payment page, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. This may include your credit card details, PayPal account, or other accepted payment methods. Make sure the page is secure before entering your information. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar. After entering your payment information, review your order details one last time and click Confirm or Submit. You should then receive a confirmation message indicating that your plan has been successfully upgraded. You're all set.